What are the benefits of PABA?
PABA is great for skin, hair, and nails. It's called the beauty vitamin. A lot of women take it to look beautiful. But the reason why I used it is because pantothenic acid, which is a critical vitamin, B vitamin, necessary for proper adrenal health, needs PABA to be as optimally active as possible. So if you want pantothenic acid to work for your adrenal glands, you also need PABA to be there to assist that. So although PABA has a lot of individual health benefits on its own, I specifically put PABA in my Relax formula to support pantothenic acid.